Well guys, we're back at the mobile home and I hope you guys are refreshed and ready to go because we have a big job ahead of us doing all the underpinning, the skirting of the trailer. You can see it now, the before. We decided after looking at all the different options and especially the unusual options and creative options, we decided to stick with the regular standard mobile home skirting. It's designed for this purpose. It's going to be the quickest and most affordable option right now to install, and it's going to give you guys an idea of how to do it. Now there's 3 parts to installing the skirting. We're going to start with the top rail. Top rail looks like this. It's going to install just like vinyl siding. You're going to put a nail in here loosely so it has room to move, and we're just going to get it tucked up there underneath the siding. I'm going to be starting at the corner, and I want this piece to wrap around the corner. So let's put a little slice in this little section right here so that it can bend. So let me just fold it now. It's not perfect. It is perfect. First piece is started. Yeah, I think I'll just work down the wall from here. Just hold that up and I'll start tacking it in. You're supposed to leave an expansion gap because this will expand and contract. And if you butt them up together, even though it might look better initially, they're gonna start buckling and getting ugly, so you're supposed to just do that. Now we're installing the bottom rail. We're trying to get the hang of it, making sure we're doing it as good as we can. Starts off with starter shingles. That might be surprising, but the starter shingles will act as a weed barrier so that the weeds don't grow up against your house. You're less likely to weed whack and put holes in your skirting. So that's why the starter shingles are going on the ground. And then we're just lining up the bottom rail with the top and spiking them in the ground with some ground spikes, big long nails. We're just gonna do our best to keep it straight going along the home. It's not easy, and I'll tell you, I thought I did a lot of good groundwork, but it's not even close to being as smooth as it should be. It should be way smoother for this job. I'm feeling a little bit uneasy about this line I'm running. I really wish I had the ground more level. I think we would have to bring in a load of filter and smooth out the ground to get it right. And it's just not, we're not gonna do that. So I wanna start getting some panels in to just see how it's gonna look. Make sure it looks like, you know, looks like we're doing a halfway decent job. So let's start cutting some panels, getting them in place, and see how it's going. My first panel is cut. I have to put some tabs in the bottom. This will actually make it lock into that bottom rail. Okay, ready?
Let it rest against top rail. Work your way around the mobile home. Cut each panel to fit.
We're making progress. I'm feeling a little more optimistic. I'm having like a roller coaster of emotions with this job because I hate it, but it has to get done, and sometimes it's going smooth and sometimes I'm not feeling confident about it, but it's looking good. Now that I can see the panels up, I'm feeling better. They're sitting pretty good. I haven't gotten to the worst of the ground problems yet, but so far so good. I'm gonna lay a few more panels and I'll show you guys how I'm cutting them and putting these little tabs on them so that they don't pop out easy, and we'll keep going. Guys, quick and easy with the clown scissors. Enough here.
Yep.
Well, guys, we're gonna call it quits for today, but we made awesome progress on the mobile home. The skirting is going up pretty nicely and it looks better than what I anticipated. We were off to a rough start because on the ground, that bottom rail was just looking terrible. But with the skirting in it, it actually looks pretty good. Even though the ground goes up and down, we've been able to compensate cutting the panels as we go. It's been a pretty easy install, but not quick. It's a slow process. I put this bottom rail in without the starter shingles because we're fighting, I don't know if you can see it, a trench in the ground where this giant stump is, and I just don't have the tools here to remove a stump, so I couldn't get the shingles in there, and I don't think it's gonna matter because the nature of the beast here with the stump in the way, nothing's gonna grow, so we're just gonna put this in here, and I'm probably gonna backfill this trench with mulch. Just backfill it right up against the skirting and it'll be fine. We'll see how that goes. That is how it's looking so far. Looking really good. That's all we have to finish up right now, but we're done for today. We're going home. We have to eat. It's day 2. Let's get right into the job, and this time let's finish up the front of the home and work around the back side. Pull that other end back a little. Yeah. Well, let me just... Alright, just folded another corner. Let's get this staked in. It's in a little bit, but I'm not going to fight it. I'm going to leave it right there. Well, that didn't go so bad. My first top outer corner, I figured it out. It looks okay. I'll carry on this rail to secure these, and the front of the home, this end of the home, is going to be done. Good. So this piece is not going to work out. Look at it, ends right about at the corner. We want it to fold around the corner. So yeah, what I'll probably do is slide this down. Let me just get it in so it slides easier. I'll fold it and then we'll piece in between. I got the panel, I got this piece notched, so I'm gonna run some more panels down this side so we can wrap it around. And hopefully we'll start seeing the back of this trailer get closed up. You guys wanna see it now? There it is. Wow, we are making progress. It's looking pretty good, I think. We've come to the plumbing connection. So this is where I wanted to take you guys along because I'm going to try to figure out how to get around the pipes, make it look nice. And we are almost done with this side of the house. I'm a little bit worn out. I just want to be done with this, but we'll just keep going as long as we can. Okay, let me see. So I have the center marked of where the pipe's going to be, so I'll work on trying to cut a circle. This has to go here.
Yeah.
And then like this. And then like this. Like that.
Yep.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Well guys, we are on the home stretch, I guess you could say. I'm about to wrap this corner. There's only one more corner to do. We're working around the back of the home primarily now. So let's see how this one goes in. We just have this little bit of back to do, and then a little bit on the front side there. Should we finish off the front? I think we should finish off the front.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go ahead and finish off this little area right here, and then we'll work on the end last. And just like that, we got it done, wrapped it around. So now all the corners are done. We just have to fill in the back. We made it so close, but unfortunately, that's all we can do. We bought out all of the skirting panels that they had at the store, every one they could find, and that's all we could get done with them. We knew it wasn't enough, but that's okay.
That's
Did
all
what we could do.
work with.
We'll wait for them to restock, and we'll pick up a couple more pieces and finish this up, but let's check it out from the front. Guys, check out how sharp the mobile home is looking. That really sets it off. The white pops, it makes everything look better, tones down the black, ties in this top. Beautiful, it's coming out so good. I'm so proud of ourselves. Evie's been a big help behind the scenes, mostly getting me materials. It's been a rough job,
Yeah.
our first time, but it came out beautiful. Beautiful.
Scooby-Doo.
And we're this much closer to getting steps built for the
That's
front
the
and
next
back.
step.
You hate it especially,
Yeah.
climbing up those big steps.
And I have little short legs.
Yeah, I can kind of get up there,
I have to grab the door edges to get in.
but yeah, I think we're gonna wrap it up because, like I said, we don't have all the pieces we need to finish it up. We just have to wait for them to restock it, and then we'll be done. Actually, I might leave it open because you guys know that we still have one job that we have to do. Mini splits. We still didn't install the HVAC in the home, so really, I should leave the end open just so we can get in and out, and we'll just finish that up later. But from most views, this looks pretty good.
Looks so good. Makes it look like a brand new home, doesn't it?
Yeah. Guys, we just went back in time to the 80s, right?
Yeah.
Time travel.
Yep.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the project. It was a tough one, but we got it done. Guys, this is about $1,000 to do skirting on a home. Can you believe how expensive that is?
It's ridiculous.
You know, it's
No
out of
matter
the way.
what you do is going to be expensive.
Yeah, there's no cheap options. You just have to get it done. But
Yeah.
I'm just glad it's behind us. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.